We'll guide you through how to make VHS text Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Photoshop and create a new document with a pure black background. Before proceeding, make sure the foreground color on your toolbar is set to black and the background color is set to white. Select the horizontal type tool from the left toolbar. Set your text color to pure white and type your word in the center of the canvas. Go to your Layers panel, right-click on the text layer, and select Convert to Smart Object. After that, go to the top menu, click on Filter, select Filter Gallery, navigate to the Sketch folder, and choose Halftone Pattern. Change the pattern type to line. Set the size to a value higher than 1. Set the contrast to 30, and click OK. Press the Ctrl+J key combination twice. You should now have 3 identical text layers stacked on top of each other. Double-click on the top text layer to open the Layer Style window. In the Advanced Blending section, look for the channels checkboxes R, G, and B. Uncheck the G and B boxes so only the R red channel is active, and click OK. Now, double-click on the middle text layer to open its Layer Style window. Uncheck the R and G boxes so only the B blue channel is active, and click OK. Click on your top red layer in the Layers panel to select it. Press the right arrow key on your keyboard 5 times to shift the red text right. Now, click on your middle blue layer in the Layers panel to select it. Press the left arrow key on your keyboard 5 times to shift the blue text left. You now have a classic RGB glitch. Hold the Shift key, click on all 3 text layers to select them, right-click, and select Convert to Smart Object to merge them into one glitchy block. To add static, go to the top menu, click on Filter, hover over Noise, and select Add Noise. Set the amount to 15%. Check the Monochromatic box at the bottom, and click OK. Finally, go to Filter, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 1 pixel, and click OK to finish it perfectly now.